5635 laptop. It comes with a charger, a 16-inch display, a full HD webcam with privacy shutter. Oh, it's wireless and Bluetooth. It has an HDMI port, precision touchpad, and it also has a USB Type-C. This thing is such a good computer. It comes with 1 terabyte of SSD, an AMD Ryzen 7 7730U 8-core 16-thread processor with Radeon graphics, Windows 11, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and this one came in platinum silver, and this thing looks absolutely beautiful. As you can see, this display is absolutely amazing, and the speakers are also wonderful. So if you're in the market for a new laptop, I highly suggest that you get this.